Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro, today with the 2012 Mitsubishi Lancer, stock number 6851. This ran from the 9th 2011 to the 12th 2017. It has a 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear door no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right hand taillight, right rear 16-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door 2 dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 16-inch factory automatic tyre, right hand headlight, right front door guard, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack CD player stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,